All right, welcome back. So we're going to animate or edit the duration. So let's go up here and do edit. And I'm in Sublime again. Let's go into AfterEffects and do edit and do split. Let's delete that. And then this, let's shrink down 3 hours a little bit. Okay, and then bring it down and kind of try to center it as much as you can. And then let's take a look at it.
The course is packed with over 3 hours of hands-on tutorials.
Okay, so again, I deleted the video or I moved it. I don't know what I did here. Let me just see. Yes, I deleted it. Okay, that's fine. I will bring that back. Okay. So I'm going to close these up a little bit so I can kind of get things organized a little better. And what I'll do is I'll bring the main video down here. I'll do this, okay? And it should pretty much be where it needs to be, okay?
Adobe Premiere Pro 2021. There are no requirements necessary to enroll. I only ask that you come open-minded and ready to learn. Feel free to look through the course description and check out some of my preview videos. The course is packed with over... Have you always wanted to learn how to edit video but don't know where to start? Would you like to make amazing videos? Have you always wanted to learn...
Okay, so...
There are no requirements necessary to enroll. I only ask that you come open-minded and ready to learn.
Okay, so when I was here... Let's mute this for a second. I'm trying to figure out where we're at so I can add the missing clip, okay?
Requirements necessary to enroll. I only ask that you come open-minded and ready to learn. Feel free to look through the course description and check out some of my preview videos. The course is packed with over 3 hours of hands-on tutorials.
Okay, so I'll split this. Okay, and then we'll turn the speaker back on.
Premiere Pro 2021. There are no requirements necessary to enroll. I only ask that you come open-minded and ready to learn. Feel free to look through the course description and check out some of my preview videos. The course is packed with over... Have you always wanted...
Okay, so we're right there.
To learn how to edit videos but don't know where to start? Would you like to make a... on tutorials? So what are you waiting for? Videos.
It's pretty amazing how I almost got the exact mark. Hold on.
There are no requirements necessary to enroll. I only ask that you come open-minded and ready to learn. Feel free to look through the course description and check out some of my preview videos. The course is packed with over 3 hours of hands-on tutorials. Have you always wanted to learn how to edit?
Right here, we're right where we need to be. So I'm going to split that, okay? I'll delete this and then I'll bring this back over and we can slowly build this out.
Tutorials. So what are you waiting for? I look forward to going through the course with you. I'll see you inside. Have you... Tutorials. So what are you waiting for? Videos. The course is packed with over 3 hours of hands-on tutorials.
So I've got exactly where we're at. And this part, I'm saying tutorials. So I'm going to split that. And we've made the correction. Okay, so now I'll line this up exactly with this one. Just to make sure we're there.
So what are you waiting for? I look forward to going through the course with you. I'll see you inside.
Okay, so right when I say I'll see you inside,
I'll see you inside.
We'll split that and we're back on track. Okay, so I'll delete this and there you go. I'll save it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.